What's up, guys? Here's the trade recap for Tuesday, February 25th. Very good day. I did what I was planning to do and I took 3 trades. I won all the trades, and I would say that's more of a luck than a skill thing, but it worked out nicely. And so, yeah, I was risking approximately 50 and gaining approximately 100 per trade, and it looks like, one of them, maybe a couple of them were shorter than that, maybe 40 to 80, something like that, 45, 90. But yeah, we made off really nicely here. So 267 gain. And so this is giving me, basically now I have 3 trading days. I could lose 9 trades in a row before this account is blown now. So we're really in a much better place now, a much more sustainable place. Still down negative 650, but a couple more of these days and we're going to be break even. So feeling really good about that. I'm going to continue the rest of this week with this 3 trades of single contracts going forward. So let's get into the trades here. So obviously we have a very weak day, and my first trade looks like right around 846. I took it short on the rejection of here. So the moving averages are going down. We're below VWAP, we're below the 9, we're below the 20. This is a very obvious short. So yeah, I took it somewhere in here, and looks like I exited here and here. And the reason I got out here, aside from the risk, risk reward 1 to 2, was I saw this line here is a level from the daily chart. So I'll go over here and show you. This line was this day's lows, which has been untested, and so those levels are very often respected, at least a little bit. So yeah, as we can see, it did bounce there. I could have held longer. I could have held all day up until 9:30 or whatever, but so I took that short and I made a nice $100 profit or $90 profit or whatever it was. And so then I was watching and I saw we paused below this level here, and we were pretty extended from the 20 and the 9. And so I took it long on this doji candle and on this one, looking for a pop up, up into the 9 or something. And it looks like I took larger size here because I had a very small risk. I was risking off of this doji, and I sold, mostly up in this wick here on this candle. I sold everything out here for a nice gain. So that was, a very tight trade, but it had sold off very sharply for a few minutes and it paused. So I knew that some kind of reversal was coming. Clearly it went way further up to the 20, but it is what it is. I just wanted to lock in another gain there for a 1 to 2. And so then I was watching it continue here, and then it did the same thing. It popped up, a few strong candles. These candles are not that strong because each of them is sold. They have high upper wicks, so that means it goes up and then people are taking profits. People are very unsure of these, so they don't stay up. And then once it got in this box of below the 20 and above the 9, that's where it kind of petered out. And we were getting very close to 21,300. And so I took it short after this rejection candle here. I took it short on here, and I was risking up to here. And so this was another, 1 risk, 2 reward, right down to here. And so at that point I was done. I was good to go. So I locked my account, and kept the profit. As you can see, no more trades. So very, very stoked about that. So yeah, that's my philosophy of the way to salvage a account that's about to bust. You want to have the odds really highly in your favor, and taking high quality setups with very low risk, multiple ones, just kind of puts you in a place where, I think the most likely scenario is 2 wins, 1 loss in a day. So that's still a gain. Another very likely scenario is 2 losses, 1 win in a day. And that's a break even. And so that's totally fine. So, even if you just alternate with that, you have 1 break even day, 1 small gain, 1 break even, 1 small gain. That's totally fine. I think today was a very easy trading day. And that's why I got 3 wins. I'm not expecting to get 3 wins, but it's nice that I did. So very stoked about this, and I'm going to continue riding this until I get a payout.